Hi Sanjog. So in this issue, when I set project type, basically I have two project types here in the filter: standard project and none, which is by default. Since this project type is not mandatory field, so I selected a none, and I'm doing search for now, so it's not showing any results. Now if I go to the project list. Okay, so this is the project list, and this project I created with the type not entered, so I believe this will be considered as none when we do not provide any type. So if I go to this project and add any task, this project is with type none. So by default it will get assigned to the logged in user, that is Rose Gardner, and I got the notification here, but when I click on it, the task is not getting displayed. So for this project type none, seems like it is not showing the data. Let me try selecting okay, let me try selecting all here and see if I have that task created here. Yeah, it is here. When I select all, it shows when I select all. See, project type with none. This is project type with none. But if I only select none in the filter, it doesn't show anything. Yeah, that's an issue. Maybe it's not related to what maybe it's not related to RTC. If that is the case, let me know. I'll assign it to Zalak. Thank you.